Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have Ashley here with me and we're gonna do slime.
Yeah. She already took this out and but
Isn't this amazing?
Isn't this part good?
I mean, I like this one.
They're the same. You
No,
know?
we're twinsies. We have twinsy slimes.
Yep.
And this is amazing.
Look. This is orange in real life. Look at this. It's pink. It's actually
pink.
orange.
Actually orange. You can trust us.
Yeah.
We don't like pink.
We just like it, but don't love it.
Yeah, just a little. And here's our pet hamster. Isn't he just adorable? I know, right?
They didn't even say anything, yo.
These smell nice.
Ew, no, don't put that in there.
I didn't, you loose. And we are going to...
We had a sleepover.
We had the best sleepover ever.
Yep, but she couldn't sleep that night, so we stayed up to
1 in the morning watching DC.
102. 102.
There's this hard part in my slime.
Really?
But whatever. Yeah, there is this hard part. Feel?
Took it.
I can't. It's part of the slime. Yeah, that's the hard part. It's gone. Give me the soft. Here.
Oi!
Thanks. Okay, so we are going to be having a challenge. And also, I forgot about this foam bead slime. It's super duper soft. Super duper duper soft. Look. Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Stop making funny faces.
I don't care. It's super soft. Super soft. Ooh, look. Candy inside slime.
Wait, guys, want to see my swirl?
Do I have a British accent?
No.
Good.
I don't think so.
I hope not.
You have an English accent.
Okay, so the challenge begins. We are going to be making nothing.
No, I'm gonna make a swirl first, and then tell what this video is about.
I have no clue.
Whoa,
feel how soft that is.
Have no clue either.
Neither do I. So we're just gonna.
This is just a random video about slime.
Yeah, we're just gonna be playing as well with our Shopkins houses. Let me get them. Where is it? Oh. I got this mini Shopkins house for Christmas.
It's so nice.
It's so cool
and cute.
and cute. Yeah, to mention
I
that.
love
It's not even the size of my head. It's so tiny. And the girls, the two little Shopkins that are in there.
I wish they had pets.
Shop pets. There are such things.
Oh my god, do you lost them?
Rosie got a shop pet for Christmas. It was a cute puppy. And the inside, it's a gaming room. And then
These are the two little girls. I'm the blue one.
I'm the cutie one.
No,
And we're gonna have a slime adventure with them. So put yours, and then we make. So Dr. Octopustio made a big slime trap outside their front door.
No, I know, Ashley.
Put it in.
No.
So when
don't
they were
want to
sleeping,
connect.
they're sleeping in their sleeping bags. Here.
No, connect them.
Why not?
No, they're separate.
Okay, good night.
They're
Good
separate
night.
friends.
They went to sleep. Look. They're sleeping.
No, there's a trap all over their house.
Yes, there's a trap all over their house.
But don't connect the slimes.
Don't worry, we won't.
Because it's hard and soft. Okay, it's okay.
Okay, we're ready. In the morning. Dawn. They didn't watch where they were going. They went downstairs in the elevator. Wait, it's not in the camera. Look.
Sorry you didn't get to see that.
Yeah. Then they went downstairs in the elevator, and they got trapped inside. Ah! Can I show them? Can I show our adoring fans? Ah! Help us! And so the adventure begins. I don't even know how, but whatever.
Can I have
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, you can have some.
I want that one.
Low battery, people. Low battery. We're doomed.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
But what will the Shopkins do? Now they're trapped. Ah! In a big love heart. Hey, it was a love heart. It was beautiful.
Sorry.
And now, where are the Shopkins? Where are the Shopkins?
And
They're
now
somewhere.
we're gonna end the video here.
No, we're gonna get
Yeah.
these Shopkins out first. Help us! Ah!
Look
Okay.
how crunchy the slime is.
Yeah, we forgot all about it. Let's just put one Shopkin in there. Ah! Okay, and then the Shopkin went back into the house and forgot about everything. What about the other Shopkin? Don't worry, she was still alive. She was still alive and beautiful.
This is Elsa's snow burrito.
Really?
Snow candy burrito. Hey,
Sorry. And then,
look at it.
Elsa Snow Candy
Wow.
Burrito. Wow, it's so cool. Let's just stretch slime.
This is like cloud cream, but it's not.
And then the two Shopkin sissies went to sleep.
Guys, look, Ashton, look.
The end. Now we're just gonna play a bit with slime.
Yeah, until my phone dies or something.
No, don't make your phone die. Your precious phone, don't make it die.
Well, if I don't charge it soon, it will die.
Okay then, thanks for watching. See you soon.
Please subscribe if you're very new, and
Yep, please subscribe.
like this video if you enjoyed these things. And
Okay.
say bye to hamster.
Bye guys.